How to add skin tone in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see your profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. Now here on the left top, tap on this profile. Now tap on it again. Here on the second option, select skincare and beauty. So here you'll be able to see skin tone. Simply tap on skin tone and tap on add. So this is the place where you can add your skin tone. So select the skin tone which is according to your skin. So here I'm selecting one, and here on the bottom simply tap on save. Now if you go back, it has been saved. Now the suggestion that you do or the things that you search, it will automatically search it through the skin tone and other features that you have added. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.